Hey everybody, this is Michael McAvoy. I'd like to talk to you today about diindolial methane. What is it? It's a molecule that your body makes from the consumption of cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, kale. Your body's going to make a very small amount of diindolial methane. It's also known as DIM, D-I-M, and it's of course taken supplementally. And this was the target of this 2014 study that was done on women that had the BRCA1 gene mutation. So let's go ahead and talk for a moment about BRCA1, and then I'm going to tell you about some of the important benefits of DIM and what it's been shown to do in the scientific literature, as well as what this study showed. So BRCA1 and BRCA2 are known as DNA repair genes, and they're anti-tumor genes. They're very important genes that prevent the initiation and the initial stages of cancer and DNA damage from taking place. So we have a lot of different DNA repair genes, and two of the major ones are known as BRCA1, BRCA2, or BRCA1, BRCA2. And they're genes that have a low prevalence but a high penetrance in the population. So that means that women that have breast cancer, most of them do not have the BRCA1 or BRCA2 gene mutations. However, the women that do carry BRCA1 or BRCA2 are at a high susceptibility to getting breast cancer because it reduces their ability to have certain stages of this DNA repair accomplished. So it's a very important gene in these regards. It's a tumor suppressor gene, so it suppresses the formation of abnormal tumors from taking place, which of course can result from DNA damage. So the first thing that DIM has been shown to do is it's a promoter of 2-hydroxylation of estrogen. And this is a very beneficial estrogen. Not all estrogens are bad. This is a neutral estrogen. And it's a benefit because if somebody has a hormonal cancer or estrogen dominance, DIM helps to direct the estrogen down this neutral, non-cell proliferative pathway so that it's not causing any harm or damage. And this is particularly of benefit if you or somebody that you know or love or care about has a risk of hormonal cancers or has even had hormonal estrogen or progesterone receptor cancers. DIM has been shown, as I mentioned, to enhance DNA repair mechanisms. And this is the subject of this study that was done on women. And they found in this study, this was 2014, that the BRCA1 RNA levels in their white blood cells increased by average of 34% in the overwhelming majority of women that were taking 300 milligrams of DIM daily. So this means that if they carry, these women that carry the BRCA1 gene mutation, it leaves them at a high risk of developing breast cancer. If they took 300 milligrams of DIM daily, the overwhelming majority of these women experienced a significant increase in their actual levels of BRCA1 RNA. The BRCA1 RNA is what is enhancing these DNA repair mechanisms. And so this was a very significant study. Again, it was not done in test tubes. It was done in people. And so this is something that you always want to pay attention to when you see an in vivo study like this. So holds a huge amount of benefit for anti-cancer activity and for neutralizing potentially harmful carcinogenic estrogens. This is a very important study done on diindolial methane. Again, this is Michael McAvoy. Thanks again for watching. Tune in again next time. Take care.